22 minus 2 gives us 20, and again inside the parentheses, 22 minus 2 gives us 20. In the end, 20 times 20 gives us 400, which is our final answer. But this answer is not correct because we did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics called the order of operations. The order of operations tells us that when we face a mathematical expression, we cannot start solving it from anywhere we like. Instead, we must follow a specific order called the correct order of operations. The correct order of operations is known by a short acronym called PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents and roots. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in any mathematical expression, we first calculate parentheses, then exponents and roots, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority. In any expression that has both multiplication and division, we move from left to right and perform whichever we reach first. This rule also applies to addition and subtraction. Now, with these explanations, let's solve the question from the beginning of the video. But before solving it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. 22 minus 2 times 22 minus 2. According to PEMDAS, we first calculate inside the parentheses. 22 minus 2 gives us 20, and the expression becomes 22 minus 2 multiplied by 20. In mathematics, when a number is written next to parentheses, it means that the number is multiplied by the expression inside the parentheses. However, for simplicity, we usually do not write the multiplication sign. Now in this expression, there is one subtraction and one multiplication. According to PEMDAS, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction, so we first calculate the multiplication, then the subtraction. 2 multiplied by 20 gives us 40. In the end, 22 minus 40 gives us negative 18, which is our final answer. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I will definitely answer. Share it with your friends. And subscribe to the channel.